All right, team, let's jump into product creation. First, we need to navigate to the Products section in Averro Manufacturing. From your dashboard, look to the main menu on the left-hand side and click Products. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see a Plus New Product button. This is your starting point for adding any new item to the system. Basic product information. We'll start by giving the product a name and, if necessary, a description. These are the basics, but they help identify the product in reports, orders, and invoices. You want to make sure this information is clear and concise. Next, you'll want to mark the product as active. This ensures the product is available for use within the system. If the product is currently inactive, perhaps it's seasonal or discontinued, you can uncheck this later. The next step is entering the standard lead time, how many days it takes to restock this product once ordered. For this product, let's say the lead time is 10 days. This information is key for your purchasing team to ensure timely reordering. MPN, manufacturer part number, weight, and unit of measure can also be added here. This data is especially useful when you're dealing with suppliers or need to provide detailed product specs. Now, one of the most important fields, reorder point. This is the minimum quantity that you need to maintain in your inventory. In this case, we'll set the reorder point at 5 units. This means when stock falls to 5 or below, Averro Manufacturing will alert you to reorder. We'll see how this impacts your inventory flow later. Now, let's categorize the product. Is it a sellable good or a service? Here, we're adding a sellable good, so we'll mark it as such. You can also specify a management category if you need to group your products for better organization. Lastly, you can include some optional fields like country of origin, last order date, or even end of support dates. These fields can help with compliance or tracking specific product lifecycle information. If these fields aren't relevant, don't worry. Averro Manufacturing lets you customize the form, allowing you to remove or add fields as needed. And that's it. Once all the necessary information is filled out, simply hit Submit, and your product is added to your inventory. Congratulations! You've just created your first product in Averro Manufacturing. Easy, right?